So this is the final outcome of a project. So okay, here we can connect people. Okay, so the main features is, so audio, video, as well as real-time chat we can do. Okay, and group meetings. So and we can make with contact with each and every person. So first we are going to make a login, register of a user. Okay, so once you register, it will redirect to the user dashboard. So this is the user dashboard what we have, and we can click on create meeting. Okay, so I'm going to create meeting of team. Okay, so here we created a team meeting. Okay, and after that, okay, okay, so webcam is a little bit problem with the webcam, so no need to worry. So this is the meeting what I have created now. Okay, and now we can invite a people. Okay, I'll go back. Okay, so I'll click on my profile only, or else I'll refresh this page. Okay, so here we have a meeting code, and we can invite a people, like previously I already created a user AAA, and I'm going to send an invitation to the user. Okay, so I already sent invitation to the user, so we can check here. Okay, so now I'm going to log in as a user to whom we send. Okay, so here have an invitation, so you have to accept. So once you have to accept the invitation, so it's going to redirect to the page where the user who is going to be performing the action. Like if the user is on that login, so it's going to show their page. If the host is login, it's going to show the host page. Okay, for suppose here I'm going to give message. Okay, chat. So we will see in this dashboard. Okay, so here is going to join. Okay, hi. So here I'm going to make a message hi. Again, reply. So here also you can see the message of hi. Okay, so each and everything is going to be simultaneously we can see. So what are the messages they are sending, what are the chart they are having, each and everything we can see here, and these are the participant. It's going to display here. So this is the final outcome. Okay, for this we are using Python Flask framework, okay, to implement this project. Okay, this is the final outcome of a project.